Some of the things we're doing is helping to move information around between the design team directly from a model to the commissioning software. Then the commissioning software is able to manage data about all the assets, accumulate the records from construction. If people are out there and need to verify and type something in manually about a serial number or something, they can do that. All the commissioning records, the tests, the verifications, things that are required for warranty, the dates, all of that stuff. It's a massive amount of information, but keeping that synchronized on a big, fast-moving design build project and keeping it normalized and consistent and having that at the end of the project sounds easy, but when you actually try to do it and think about how many people it involves and the duration, it's a lot of work. And you have to think about that at day one of design, not at the end of the project. It's too late then. You're going to get a stack of PDF files if you think about it then, or you're going to spend a really long time sorting it out. That's something that the sophisticated owners are realizing, that in order to operate effectively their building on day one, they need good data in their digital twin or their maintenance management platform. And the only way they're going to get that is if they make that a requirement and push that through the contracting chain. And then the contracting chain says, yep, we're going to build our workflows around that goal to get you a good data set so that you can manage your facility well starting on day one. It becomes about the data and not about how nicely the PDF files are formatted and organized on a SharePoint site somewhere.